Hello everyone. Today's our topic is software development lifecycle. The goal of software engineering is to provide models and processes that lead to the production of well-documented, maintainable software in a manner that is predictable. The software development cycle is the period of time that starts when a software product is conceived and ends when the product is no longer available for use. The software life cycle typically includes a requirement phase, design phase, implementation phase, test phase, installation and checkout phase, operation and maintenance phase, and sometimes a retirement phase. The first is preliminary investigation. The software development lifecycle problems identification helps in first is setting proper software goal. First, you must set the proper goal and determine the boundaries of the project by taking into consideration the limitation of the available resources. First, you have to set the goal and determine the boundary and to check the availability of the resources and limitation of resources. Second is feasibility study. There are many feasibility studies. Feasibility studies are used as a basis for deciding whether to proceed with or postpone or cancel the project. First, we have to feasibility study. We have to check the feasibility study whether it is proceed or postponed or cancel the project. The purpose of the feasibility study of a software is to determine whether the requested project is reliable. There are three phases of feasibility. First is practical feasibility, second is economic feasibility, and third is operational feasibility. The technical feasibility is, is concerned with specifying equipments and software that will successfully support the required task. In the economy, it is where how to how to manage the budget, whether the project is economically feasible, and if enough funds are not available, then what are the source of funds? Third is operational feasibility. Operational feasibility defines the limit to which the required software performs a series of steps to solve business problems and user requirements. This feasibility is dependent on human resources, software development team, and involve visualizing whether the software will operative once it is installed. इट मीन्स क्या है कि जब आप कोई सॉफ्टवेयर डेवलप करते हो तो उसकी ऑपरेशनल फिजिबिलिटी में चेक करनी होती है कि जो सॉफ्टवेयर हमने डेवलप किया है कि वो इंस्टॉल हो पाएगा कि नहीं हो पाएगा, इंस्टॉल पाएगा, क्या वो सक्सेसफुली इंस्टॉल हो पाएगा, वहाँ पर रन हो पाएगा. दिस इज कॉल्ड ऑपरेशनल फिजिबिलिटी. नेक्स्ट इज सॉफ्टवेयर एनालिसिस. Software analysis means there are some common questions when we analyze the software. What is being done in organization? How is it being done? And what is the volume of transactions? How frequently do the transactions occur? And what are the problems arise and how it will be solved. The development of prototype are also included in this phase. Next is software. Next is software design. The most challenging and creative phase of the development life cycle is the design of the software. Software design it is the most important part of software development life cycle. How to create a database, what is the cost of hardware, what is the speed of hardware, what is the speed, error ratio, error rates, and other performance characteristics are specified. Development, next is development of software. Now, when programmers are also responsible for documents the programs. The documents should include programmer should when a programmer is develop a code, then it should be in a proper documented manner and documented with proper comments that provide explanation of the procedures coded in the program. It will help to understand the program code. If you mention the explanation or comments in a code, then anyone can understand the code's requirement. Next is software testing. Testing is the most important part of a software development. If you develop a software and if you have not tested the software and you have installed the software, then there is chances of bugs, many bugs. And if you have if you test a software before installing, then it becomes less chances of bugs. So testing is the process of making sure that the program performs the intended task. Once the software is designed, it should be tested for validity. During testing, the software is used experimentally to ensure that the software does not fail. Implementation and evaluation. Implementation is the final phase of development. It consists of installing hardware, programs, collecting data, and organizing people to interact with and run the सॉफ्टवेयर. इम्प्लीमेंटेशन में क्या होता है कि आपने जो सॉफ्टवेयर डिज़ाइन किया है उसको कैसे इम्प्लीमेंट करना है, उसको आपकी कंपनी के जो एम्प्लॉयर हैं, जो यूजर्स हैं, उनको कैसे उनको इंटरेक्ट कराना है, कैसे उनको यूजर फ्रेंडली क्रिएट करना है एंड उनको अंडरस्टैंड कराना है. Once the software is implemented, it should be evaluated. सी जब आप कोई भी सॉफ्टवेयर इंस्टॉल करते हो तो उसका हम इवेल्यूएशन करना भी जरूरी है, मैंडेटरी है. सबसे पहले जैसे आपने सुना भी कि जब कोई भी सॉफ्टवेयर कोई भी इंस्ट्रूमेंट डिजाइन करते हैं, डेवलप करते हैं, तो सबसे पहले वो हम अपनी कंपनी के एम्प्लॉयज को दिया जाता है to check whether it is working properly or not. Then we have to launch in a market. So evaluation is the process of verifying the capability of a software after it is part in operation. And next is maintenance. Maintenance is the process of incorporating changes in the implemented existing software for proper utilization. This involves enhancement and corrections. Okay? And this is the diagram of software development life cycle. First, to start, need of new software and preliminary investigation. जब आप कोई भी सॉफ्टवेयर डिजाइन करते हो तो सबसे पहले आप उसके रिक्वायरमेंट्स क्या है, उसकी नीड क्या है, what is the need and what is the requirement. Because we have checked and investigate the preliminary requirements. Then we have done the feasibility study. After the feasibility study, we can software analysis. After software analysis, we will do software design work. After design work, then development of software. After development software, we must do software testing. Then software testing, if less number of bugs is found, then then you can implement the software. And if you found more bugs, then you must check your software and retesting again and again till the number of bugs is nil or less. After testing, you must implement the software. The implementation part, then evaluation, and then maintenance. Even if evaluation is not successful, then redevelop the software. This is the software development lifecycle. A software lifecycle model is a particular abstraction that represents a software lifecycle. In software lifecycle model is often called a software development lifecycle (SDLC). A variety of lifecycle models have been proposed and are based on tasks involved in developing and maintaining software. So few well-known lifecycle models. Then first is bold and fixed. In this bold and fixed model, there are only two things: bold code and fixed time. The product is constructed without a specification or any attempt at design. The ad hoc approach and not well defined. Simple two phases model. First is bold code and then fix. Bold and fixed model suitable for small programming size of 100 or 200 lines. Unsatisfactory for software for any reasonable size. Code soon becomes unfixable and unenhanceable. No room, no room for structured design. Maintenance is practically not possible. Okay. So this model contains two phases. First phase is build the code. Second phase is fix the code. That I told earlier. Okay. Okay. Now next is waterfall model. This model is named waterfall model because its diagrammatic representation resembles a cascade of waterfalls. First is requirement analysis and specifications. सबसे पहले हम क्या करते हैं, जब हम कोई सॉफ्टवेयर डेवलप करते हैं सॉफ्टवेयर वाले चेक करते हैं उसकी रिक्वायरमेंट एनालिसिस को करते हैं एंड स्पेसिफिकेशन कि जो कस्टमर है, जो कंपनी का जो है उसकी रिक्वायरमेंट क्या है, एनालिसिस को चेक करते हैं उसकी स्पेसिफिकेशन क्या है, वो क्या क्या चाहता है, क्या क्या उसमें फीचर्स उसको रिक्वायरमेंट है. देन वी हैव डिजाइन द सॉफ्टवेयर, डिजाइन द डॉक्यूमेंट, देन इम्प्लीमेंटिंग and unit testing. Coding part. This is the coding part. And the first part is just you have seen requirements. This is the SRS. Software requirement short form is SRS. This is the design part, design document. Next is implementation and unit testing. This is the coding part. Next is integration and system testing. This is the testing document. When you implement and unit testing, then integrate and system testing. Then operation and maintenance. So this is a waterfall model. This model is easy to understand and reinforce the notion of define before design and design before code. इसमें क्या करते हैं, सबसे पहले कि डिफाइन बिफोर डिजाइन. हम पहले डिजाइन करने से पहले इसको डिफाइन कर देते हैं एंड डिजाइन करने से पहले हम कोड को मतलब कोड लिखने से पहले, कोड राइट करने से पहले हम इसको डिजाइन करें. So the model expects complete and accurate requirements early in the process, which is unrealistic. Okay. Then the problem with the waterfall model again, it is difficult to define all requirements at the beginning of a project. क्योंकि हम सारी requirements को starting में नहीं explain कर सकते, it is very difficult, नहीं आप define कर सकते. This model is not suitable for accommodating any changes. So अगर हम इसमें कोई changes करना चाहेंगे तो इसमें ये tough task. A working version of a system is not seen until late in the project lives, and it does not scale up well to large projects. The real projects are rarely sequential. The real projects are rarely sequential. Sequential is possible. Next. Well, implementation and testing. You will have to look at the integration and system testing part. Next is prototype model. Prototype model. The prototype may be a usable program, but is not suitable as the final software product. Prototype means that the prototype may be a usable program, but it is not suitable as the final software product. The code for the prototype is thrown away. However, experience gathered helps in developing the actual system. The development of a prototype might involve extra cost, but overall cost might turn out to be lower than that of equivalent system developed using the waterfall model. Then first is requirement. तो सबसे पहले क्या करते हैं, उसकी रिक्वायरमेंट चेक करते हैं, then हम क्विक डिजाइन दीजिए requirement of requirement as per suggestion. Then implement के बाद then customers evaluation. If customer satisfied नहीं होता तो हम वापस उसको फिर से रिफ्रेम करते हैं requirement को as per suggestion और फिर से अगले उसको डिजाइन करते हैं. Then implement, then customer evaluation. कस्टमर का इवैल्यूएशन एक्सेप्टेड हो जाता है, एक्सेप्टेड बाय कस्टमर, तो देन हम उसको डिजाइन करते हैं, डिजाइन फेज में आता है, देन इम्प्लीमेंटेशन एंड यूनिट टेस्टिंग एंड देन ऑपरेशनल मेंटेनेंस. So okay, this is a prototype model. तो वर्किंग प्रोटोटाइप इज डेवलप्ड एज पर द करंट कस्टमर रिक्वायरमेंट. इसमें क्या करते हैं, जो भी जब डेवलप करते हैं हम करंट जो कस्टमर होता है उसकी रिक्वायरमेंट के अकॉर्डिंग उसको डेवलप करते हैं. प्रोटोटाइप it has limited functional capabilities, low polarities, and untested performance. The developer uses this prototype to define the requirements and prepare the final specification document because the working has been evaluated by the customer. क्योंकि हम इसमें जो working होता है prototype वो customer पहले evaluate कर चुका होता है. The prototype may be useful program but not suitable as a final software product. Okay, thank you.